Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down a bit and choose Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down again and tap on Permission Manager. From here, pick one of your phone's features like Location and one of your apps, like Maps. Now you can select one of the options: Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time or Deny for Maps app. I will go with Allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to my device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps like Google, select See all Google's permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!